ACH Network. In the United States, the ACH Network is the National Automated Clearing House (ACH) for electronic funds transfers. It processes financial transactions for consumers, businesses, and federal, state, and local governments. ACH processes large volumes of credit and debit transactions in batches. Short for Automated Clearing House, ACH credit transfers include direct deposit for payroll, Social Security and other benefit payments, tax refunds, and vendor payments. ACH direct debit transfers include consumer payments on insurance premiums, mortgage loans, and other kinds of bills. Rules and regulations that govern the ACH network are established by National Automated Clearing House Association, NACHA. In 2018, the network processed 23 billion transactions with a total value of $51.2 trillion. Credit card payments are handled by separate networks. The reserve banks and the Electronic Payments Network, EPN, are the ACH operators. History. The ideas that would lead to the ACH were first developed in the late 1960s. One of the early predecessors was a U.S. federal initiative used to help United States Air Force personnel get their paychecks on time. The success of this initiative led to an expansion to other employees, and the government adopted it as a major payroll standard. Separately, in 1968, a group of check clearinghouse associations set up the Special Committee on Paperless Entries, SCOPE, to build an automated payment system after concerns for the number of checks being cleared for payrolls. This led to the first ACH association, formed in California in 1972. Other regional ACH associations followed. The difficulty in compliance between different organizations led to them join together to form National Automated Clearinghouse Association, NACHA, in 1974. NACHA consolidated and added new rules which led to ACH. As computer and telecommunication technology advanced over the next few years, the system continued to develop. By 1978, electronic funds transfers were available. From the late 1980s through to the 2000s, the system continued to develop with a number of enhancements. In 2001, there was a major reorganization of NACHA which led to financial institutions insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation becoming direct members, making it much easier for the ACH network to be used by banks. This year also saw internet payments go into effect, which would go on to be a big part of ACH payments. Uses of the ACH payment system. SEC codes. Some common standard entry class (SEC) codes